Dewalt DCR010 job site Bluetooth speaker. And this one is a very, very highly rated one. So I finally wanted to get my hands on it and check it out. This is the box where it comes with the speaker only, doesn't come with the battery or the charger. But if you're in the Dewalt 20 volt max system, you are fully covered already. Let's go ahead and pop this one open and see what it's all about. All right, so you can see right in the top right there, we do have a charger cord right here, or this is the cord that you can use to power it if you want to just leave it plugged in. You don't have to use the 20 volt max battery system. We'll grab it out. We obviously do have your instruction booklet, which I'm sure you don't care about, so put that aside. And the speaker is nicely wrapped in this bag. Let's go ahead and pop it out of this bag. There we go. And there is the speaker itself. So first off, I must say, quality feel, very, very solid, typical of DeWalt. Always really good quality products. It uses the 12 volt or the 20 volt max battery system. So you can use either or to plug and play. And then it goes right into the back right here. So you can see in the back, you can either have it plugged in with this cable right there, or you can grab yourself a 20 volt max battery. I've got a 5 milliamp right here, and that's just going to plug right into there. There you go. So we got it locked in all right there, and then you can power your speaker right on if you want to. And we'll go ahead, we'll go to the front right here so we can see all the different options that we have. So we have power, volume, your fast forward and rewind, play, pause, there's your volume up and your Bluetooth button. If we look on the side, you can see there's an auxiliary port, USB, so you can plug in a little headphone device right there. You can play music through that, or you can use USB right there. So that's really cool. That's another option. And we'll go ahead, look around it. You can see with the battery in there, it is quite big. If we take the battery out, you can see it's quite small. We'll go ahead and power it on right here. There we go. So you can see that it's going to be searching for my device. So we're going to actually just go ahead and grab my phone. And if I look on my phone right away, you can see DCR010. We're just going to go ahead and select that right away. And we can see it's all good, ready to go, playing on Bluetooth. We're not going to play any music just for copyright reasons, but if you want to hear the sound of it, go ahead and pick one up yourself. It's excellent, excellent quality sound. But wow, what an excellent device. Very, very good quality feel, and I'm super impressed with it.